Welcome back. Now, since the arrest of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, the Aam Aadmi Party that has been jolted by crisis. Party workers who have hit the workers when it comes to in protest, they have hit the streets. And even when it comes to Mrs. Sunita Kejriwal trying to garner support and sympathy for husband Arvind Kejriwal with multiple video messages on his behalf. Sanjay Singh, who is now out on bail, currently the face of party protests. Even when it comes to these are the top other leaders who seems to be quitting the party. But surprisingly, it seems that the Aam Aadmi Party's Rajya Sabha MPs, especially from Punjab, are missing from these protests and are apparently inactive on social media. And the faces there on your screens. Let's start by telling you about them one by one. Aam Aadmi Party Rajya Sabha MP Raghav Chadha, who is still reported to be in London. Sources say that he was supposed to return by the end of March, but he has decided that he will extend his visit. As per media reports, Raghav Chadha has been advised by doctors for post-surgery care in London. He, although is said to be active on social media, issuing videos and posting against the BJP. Let's get you a report that has been filed outside Raghav Chadha's residence, especially when it comes to not being active when it comes to extending support rather to his own political party, which is the Aam Aadmi Party.
Another Aam Aadmi Party MP that is missing in action is Raghav Chadha. Times Now team is in fact trying to track him down and is taking you the viewer to the official residence of Raghav Chadha, that is AB5 Pandara Road that you can see behind me. Now this is his residence here. This is AB5 at Pandara Road. As you can see on the nameplate also, Chadda's is written. Let me ask his staff about the whereabouts of the Aam Aadmi Party MP. Sir, कब तक आएंगे राघव चड्ढा जी? कहाँ गए? आपको कोई आइडिया है?
नहीं मैम, कुछ आइडिया नहीं है मैम।
स्टाफ से कुछ बात हुई है? कब तक वापस आए हैं? कब गए थे?
कोई बात नहीं
हुई है आप लोगों से? कोई आइडिया नहीं है कब तक आएंगे? So as you heard, the staff is completely clueless about when he's going to come back to India. But as per the people close to him, he had left for London on March 8th for an eye surgery.
Let's talk about another Aam Aadmi Party leader who seems to be MIA. That means missing in action. Swati Maliwal. She is the first-time MP from Delhi, currently in the United States of America. She informed the party that she has to be there with her sister who is recuperating from illness. We spoke to her personal assistant on the phone line, who also confirmed that she indeed is in the United States. But like Raghav Chadha, she is constantly posting on Kejriwal's arrest on social media.
हेलो सत्यव्रत जी।
जी बताइए मैडम।
सर, स्वाति मालीवाल जी से मिल सकते हैं?
आपको एक वंदना जी का नंबर दिया था शायद पहले भी, आप एक बार उनसे बात कर लो, वो मिलवा देंगे आपको।
अच्छा, मिलवा देंगी। वो यहाँ पे है अभी स्वाति मालीवाल जी, या यूएस चली गई है? क्योंकि कुछ बोल रहे यहाँ है, कुछ बोल रहे यूएस में है।
हाँ, यूएस से है अभी।
अच्छा, कोई आइडिया है आपको कब तक वापस आएंगे?
15th के बाद।
15th के बाद वापस आएंगे। अच्छा, ठीक है। Well, amid the ongoing political crisis in the Aam Aadmi Party after the arrest of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, a question that looms large is why are 7 Aam Aadmi Party MPs missing in action? This includes Swati Maliwal, Harbhajan Singh as well as Raghav Chadha. I'm currently standing outside Commonwealth Games Village where Swati Maliwal in fact lives, and as for the people close to her, she's not currently in India and she's gone to United States to be with her sister who is not well and will be back on 15th of this month. Now, interestingly, she has not tweeted anything in support of the party or anything related to Arvind Kejriwal's arrest in the last 8 days, and this may come as a surprise for a lot of people. But another Aam Aadmi Party MP, Harbhajan Singh, has not tweeted anything at all related to the political turmoil that has been going on in the party. Zero tweet related to the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal.
Well, that certainly raises a lot of questions and curiosity further when it comes to their own leaders. Why are they not physically present at the time when the party is in crisis? Let's talk about other MPs and leaders as well. Rajya Sabha MPs in Punjab, starting with Harbhajan Singh. He hasn't changed even his display picture when it comes to Kejriwal's picture behind bars. That is party's social media campaign that has been going further with. Neither he has tweeted on Arvind Kejriwal's arrest. Let's tell you about the Aam Aadmi Party MP Vikramjit Singh as well. Even he too hasn't changed his his DP, that was display picture, neither is he talking about his party chief's arrest on social media. Amongst the topics he's been posting about is rather on education in Punjab, and there is also Balbir Singh, who is also a religious figure. He too has not changed his social media DP, nor is he actively speaking on the issue as far as the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal is concerned. Let's play out the reports that have been filed by our colleagues right outside Harbhajan Singh's residence in Delhi and in Chandigarh.
Rajya Sabha MPs of Punjab from Aam Aadmi Party remain missing from the scene of our political movements in Delhi. Right now we are reporting from Harbhajan Singh's residence in Chandigarh. You can see the visuals, and in fact this is a house of Harbhajan Singh where he rarely comes, and in fact nobody is around. He stays either in Jalandhar or somewhere in Delhi or Mumbai, but this is the house basically belongs to Rajya Sabha MP of Aam Aadmi Party and cricketer Harbhajan Singh, which is completely locked and completely isolated. The MP is, what we are given to understand is that Harbhajan Singh is remain occupied with the IPL matches and in fact not actively participating in the protest of Aam Aadmi Party which is happening in Delhi and other places against the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal. So this is how so many questions are being raised that why these MPs are not in the picture of Aam Aadmi Party's activities against the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal.
We are outside Aam Aadmi Party Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament Harbhajan Singh's house here in New Delhi. If there is anybody inside who can tell us where he has been or what he has been up to, the house is this. We are going to try and see. भाई साहब, क्या ये हरभजन सिंह जी का घर है?
हाँ जी।
वो यहाँ पर रहते हैं या आए हैं?
आते हैं जी, रहते नहीं हैं।
अच्छा, तो आखिरी बार कब आए थे वो दिल्ली, कुछ अगर आपको पता हो, याद हो?
ये नहीं है बेटा, मेरे पता, क्यों झूठ बोलूं।
आप कब से हैं यहाँ पर?
हम तो 2 साल होने वाले हैं।
तो पिछले 2 सालों में तो आए होंगे ना हरभजन सिंह?
आते तो रहते हैं, 15-15 दिन में आते हैं, कभी हफ्ता में, कभी महीने में, हफ्ता में आते रहते हैं, काम चल रहा है ना।
तो अभी आखिरी बार कब आए थे?
अभी तो मैं बेटा रहता है, मैं तो नहीं बता सकता हूँ।
So obviously Harbhajan Singh stays in this house and he has been staying in this house whenever he has been coming to Delhi. But one major development is that Harbhajan Singh, the Aam Aadmi Party Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament, hasn't been participating in any of the protests, in any of the programs that are being conducted by Aam Aadmi Party.
Well, this is how we've been trying to track when it comes to the Aam Aadmi Party leaders right from Delhi to Punjab. Akansha is with us right now. Akansha, it becomes a very intense case of curiosity, if we can say, as to all of these leaders associated with the Aam Aadmi Party but don't seem to be standing with their own party.
Well, absolutely. At a time when Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is in jail, 7 Aam Aadmi Party MPs are missing in action. Either they are silent on the turmoil that has been going on in the Aam Aadmi Party, or they are just lending the digital support. In fact, I'm standing outside the residence of Ashok Kumar Mittal, who's the Member of Parliament of Aam Aadmi Party from Punjab. And you can see right here, there's a huge block that has been put here. In fact, we tried to inquire. There's no staff present inside. And most interestingly and shockingly, quite recently, he also deleted his social media, his Twitter account that is completely deleted by him. And even before that, he did not change the display picture as has been done by a lot of other
quite mysterious behavior on part of certain Aam Aadmi Party leaders, especially coming in from Punjab, because as far as the Chief Minister is concerned, he can always be seen standing in support and solidarity with Arvind Kejriwal, the Delhi Chief Minister. Akansha, thank you very much. We will be back after a short break getting you reactions on this big story.